Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about Broyhill Furniture. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Broyhill Furniture is a well-known furniture brand in the United States. Broyhill Company was a mainstay in most American furniture stores for decades. Broyhill is no longer available in mid-market furniture stores. Instead, the brand can be found in stores like Big Lots and other similar discount retailers. Broyhill Incorporated has been sold on several occasions. Many individuals are currently asking, is Broyhill Furniture out of business? Broyhill Furniture is still in operation as of November 2020. They have, however, repackaged their furniture lines, and are now sold at big box stores such as Big Lots. Broyhill used to sell mid-priced furniture in the retail sector. Of course, the business provided good quality furniture at a reasonable price. So, let's take a look at the history of Broyhill Furniture. History of Broyhill Furniture. Broyhill Furniture has a long history dating back to 1905, when the Broyhill Company factory first opened in Lenoir, North Carolina. Broyhill's early success was built on solid wood furniture and high-quality workmanship. Broyhill Furniture from the past. The original raw materials for the company's early bedroom, dining room, and living room furniture came from several of North Carolina's forests. Broyhill employed up to 7,500 North Carolinians to make, sand, and finish furniture in over 20 factories at its peak in the 1970s. Broyhill produced a number of distinct furniture lines as the firm grew. They positioned themselves as a more affordable alternative to Ethan Allen, with a product that appealed to the general public. Overall, they created a decent and cheap product in the United States, that many people were happy to own. As a result, we should commemorate Broyhill. Of course, the majority of us agree on the need of maintaining American jobs, and delivering a high-quality product, Broyhill Furniture that has been utilized. Broyhill Furniture from the 1980s. However, in the 1980s, things began to shift. Interco Furniture was purchased by Interco in 1980, and the company was later reformed to escape bankruptcy in the 1990s. During that time, Broyhill resurfaced as Furniture Brands International. Is Broyhill Furniture manufactured in the United States? Broyhill Furniture remained true to its basic beliefs until the 1990s. As a result, the majority of Broyhill Company's products were created on American soil. During his stint as CEO, Paul Broyhill made it a point to hire Americans. Paul Broyhill placed a strong emphasis on training and job creation in his community. Furthermore, Broyhill furniture catalogs of the 1990s were dominated by high-end solid wood furniture. Some consumers claim that fine wood furniture was still available in the early 2000s. Broyhill Furniture, Vintage. However, in order to compete with falling pricing and changing markets in the early 2000s, Broyhill Furniture outsourced much of its product line. Unfortunately, many American plants in Lenoir, North Carolina had to close by 2007-2008. As a result, Broyhill Furniture produced, after the early 2000s, came from Asian countries rather than the United States. Furniture companies, like many others, including Pennsylvania House, had to compete with low-cost furniture from Asian producers. Today's Broyhill Furniture. Who owns Broyhill Furniture today? It's difficult to tell who owns Broyhill Company after all of these acquisitions and mergers. Of fact, in today's society, people are more interested in a company's name than in the company's history. To put it another way, without the American furniture plants, Broyhill has become a diluted brand. In today's marketing world, though, the name still has clout. Who is the owner of Broyhill Furniture? Broyhill, which went under the name Furniture Brands International in the 1990s, entered bankruptcy in 2013. A private equity firm bought the company's assets and rebranded it as Heritage Home Group. Other American furniture brands, such as Henredon and Drexel, were also included into this conglomerate. The Broyhill name was purchased by another business, Authentic Brands Group, with the ability to license or manufacture furniture under the brand. Today, Broyhill Furniture is available at Big Lots. Big Lots has a nice selection of recliners, sofas, TV cabinets, and dining room sets. Broyhill Furniture from the past. Vintage Broyhill Furniture could be exactly what you're looking for. Of course, anything created by Broyhill prior to these mergers was, almost certainly made in the United States of America from solid wood. As a result, you may get exceptional quality at a reasonable price. Vintage Broyhill Sofa. There were several antique Broyhill furniture lines worth mentioning. Broyl's unique furniture lines include Broyl's famous attic heirlooms. Broyhill Canyon Ridge is a lot of fun. Broyhill Charlestown Square is a swanky area in Charlestown. Broyhill Plantation Manor is a high-end estate. Broyhill Maison Lenoir is inspired by the old world. Madison Court, Broyhill. Broyhill Vintage World, of course. Broyhill Vintage Furniture is extremely diversified due to the wide range of styles available. Broyhill Furniture can be identified by looking for the mark on the inside of the drawers. Tags, Broyhill Furniture. Of course, you may prefer the country-style patterns of Broyhill attic heirlooms. Wooden knobs and bracket feet are common on Broyhill furniture dresses in this style. Or perhaps you prefer Broyhill Maison Lenoir's old world designs. These French country-inspired designs work well in both modern and traditional settings. You might also be interested in Broyhill mid-century modern furniture. Unique modern lines can be found in lines like Sculptra. Look through these pages to see what's new in the world of Broyhill vintage furniture. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.